I'm Dan Kingsley with the Realty Edge Team. Grew up in Zimbrota, went to school at Zimbrota Mazeppa, graduated from there. Right after that, went to basic training and advanced individual training down at Fort Benning, Georgia. Got into the service, became an infantryman, went on deployment in 2001, came back, went to college at Mankato State University, got a BA in marketing, went on another deployment, got back from that deployment in Iraq, and my wife wanted me to get out so we can have kids. So we did that, I got out, and today I live in Elgin, another big city just like Zimbrota, well, smaller, but yeah, we live over there. Got a wife, 2 kids, son and daughter, 8 and 9, and a dog. So most of my time I spend when I'm not working hanging out with the wife and kids. We do camping, snowshoeing, hiking, and just doing all kinds of fun stuff outside.